Artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing various sectors with its ability to automate tasks, analyze massive amounts of data, and make predictions. Here are 10 useful ways AI can be used. 1. Healthcare diagnosis and treatment. AI can help analyze patient data, medical images, genetic information, and more to diagnose diseases early or suggest personalized treatment plans. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze patterns in MRI scans to identify tumors or other abnormalities. 2. Personalized marketing. AI can analyze customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns to provide personalized product recommendations and marketing messages. This can help businesses to increase sales and customer satisfaction. 3. Autonomous vehicles. AI is integral to the operation of self-driving cars. It can process information from sensors, recognize objects and obstacles, and make decisions to control the vehicle safely. 4. Fraud detection. AI algorithms can monitor transactions in real time and detect potential fraudulent activities by recognizing unusual patterns or behaviors. This is particularly useful in the banking and finance industries. 5. Predictive maintenance. In manufacturing, AI can analyze data from machines to predict when they might need maintenance or repair. This can help prevent unexpected breakdowns and reduce operational costs. 6. Virtual assistants. AI powers virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These can understand spoken language, answer questions, set reminders, control smart home devices, and more. 7. Recruitment and HR. AI can automate the process of screening resumes and shortlisting candidates based on job requirements. It can also help in assessing employee performance and in training and development activities. 8. Intelligent tutoring. AI can offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to the learner's pace and style. It can identify areas where the learner is struggling and provide targeted help. 9. Supply chain optimization. AI can analyze various factors affecting the supply chain, including demand, production capacity, and logistics, to optimize operations. It can also predict potential disruptions and suggest mitigating actions. 10. Climate modeling. AI can process vast amounts of data from various sources to predict climate change impacts. It can help scientists understand these complex systems and develop strategies to mitigate climate change. Remember, while AI has great potential, it's also important to consider ethical aspects, such as privacy, fairness, and transparency, when using AI.